Why is it that some people have everything and they're never happy, while others have very little and they're the happiest people? The Frierdiker Rebbe explains a very profound thought. A person by nature, however much he has, he always wants double of what he has. And a person by nature thinks he deserves more than what he has. So whatever he has is never enough. And therefore you can have a lot and at the same time have absolutely nothing at all. While there's another person that really sincerely believes that he doesn't deserve anything. And everything he receives in his life, he feels it's a present. It's a gift from God. Imagine all day being showered with gifts. Wouldn't you be dancing and happy? So next time you get the gift of life, of just being able to breathe, to walk, to see, to hear, wouldn't you be dancing? Start dancing now.